Hey guys, I got a package in the mail today and I have a lot of interesting stuff to show you. But before we do anything else, remember that I said I still have the power supply to finish? At least the constant current part. So let's finish that. This PCB is based on the LT3081 linear regulator. Here, it acts like an adjustable constant current source with the voltage regulation being done by the buck boost converter board. I chose a 1.6 mm board thickness since I thought it would help with heat dissipation. So let's get soldering. I won't be able to use the hot air gun since I couldn't find any solder paste. First off, let me say that soldering with a camera is very uncomfortable. You will see me struggle for a while, and yeah, I got everything sorted out. Perfect. I gave up on the camera after that. Here's the finished product. The 4.22K resistor scales the 0 to 10K from the potentiometer to the 0 to 3K that the feedback loop requires. And in goes the zero point 0.1 ohm shunt connecting the potentiometer wires. Luckily, all the calculations paid off despite me being somewhat mathematically disabled and the constant current works. I got the camera thing figured out this time, so I'll be able to show me soldering the second chip. Now let's get the biggest part, the buck boost converter, out of the madness it's housed in. Of course I goofed up and the PCB is a bit too small for the converter. Luckily the problem is fixed using some pintails. Testing the whole thing once before I put it in, there's a voltage on the output, so things should be fine. At this point, I won't be surprised if this some bitch decides to blow up on me given the condition it was placed in. And surprisingly, it works. And so does the constant current part. Let's hope this will be the last time I repair this power supply.